I'm at the Pauli Shopping Center, and this place, Artisan, supposed to be the best pizza in Shenzhen, as far as I've heard. Let's take a look. So this is the owner, Quinton. So how long time did you have this place?
We opened in 2016.
2016.
Yeah, so this is our 9th year.
So I have heard this supposedly is the best pizza in Shenzhen. I have heard. How do you think about that?
Of course, I think it's the best, but
You have tried other places,
I try every pizza that I
and
can.
you think yours is the best.
It's the one that I like the most,
Okay.
but everyone is pizza subjective. Food is subjective. So
I will have a try. And now the pizza have arrived. And this the chicken or
this is the chicken.
chicken one? Okay.
So are we gonna do the interview? Enjoy some of your food.
Okay. Well, Artisans was started as a passion.
The pizza have just arrived. This is the chicken one. It's very delicious. Highly recommended.